Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video a quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A52. I have here the 4G version right now, but the same thing you can have also in the 5G version. It is exactly the same. Okay, let's remove first of all the labels. Up. Okay, now, okay, here it is, the Samsung Galaxy A52 with his 6.5 inches display. Let's remove here the plastic film. And I have here, as you can see, the awesome black version. Okay. Okay. Let's have a look first on the design. It's the front here. As you can see, the black version, everything is in black. We have on the back the 4 cameras. So we have the main cam with 64 MPs. We have the ultra wide cam with 12 MPs. We have a 5 MP depth cam, and we will have as well a 5 MP macro cam. Everything supported with an LED flash. So let's go on the other side. So this is how it looks like. And yeah. Okay, let's have a look what else is in the box. So we have the power charging adapter, which one supports fast charging, by the way, with 25 watts. But yeah, that's enough. That's enough, because that means that you can charge your phone in half hour, something like with 50%. Okay, and of course we will have here the charging cable with USB Type-C on one side, and the other side has USB Type-A. So the basic one, the regular one, which one fits here. And the power charging adapter, very important. But if you want to buy a new one, you need USB Type-C in any case for charging the phone. And yeah, let's have a look what is else in the box, because here is a bit hidden. We have here in that place the SIM ejection tool. It is here to remove the SIM tray. And we will have here also some instructions, a quick start guide, and a warranty card. This has been the quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy A52. So this is everything what is included in the phone. So we have no separate case, we have no headphones, we have no film for the display. So these are things you have to buy by your own. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and I've created also some other videos if you're interested in many more about the phone. Thank you so much for, or you can just subscribe me if you want, if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.